Welcome to the Boredom Buster's Kitchen. Today we are going to make geode eggs. So today you'll need crafting glue. You can use Elmer's glue. You can use any type of glue basically. We're going to be using Mod Podge. Alright, you'll need food dye. You'll need eggs. You'll need toothpicks. You'll need like any type of salt. We're going to be using Epsom salt, table salt, and we're also going to try sugar. Alright. Also, you'll need a paintbrush, marker, a carton, and glasses, spoons, and boiling water. Speaking of, we gotta turn this off. Alright. So, first what you're gonna do is you're gonna crack an egg, and we use recycled eggs that we used this morning. So after that, you're gonna take the membrane off. It's just a little layer of skin right here. I like to use a toothpick to do that. Makes it easier. So you're gonna do that, which we have done already with these 3 eggs. Alright, after that, you're gonna place them in the egg carton. Like this. Oh yeah, we also labeled the bottom. That's what the marker's for. Alright, and then you're going to take your paintbrush, your glue, and you're going to coat the eggs. Get a nice layer coated on the eggs. So after you get it all coated, you're going to layer it with your substances right here that you had prepared. We already did this one with the Epsom salt, and I'm going to show you how to do it with the sugar. So after it's all glued, you're going to take a pinch of your sugar, sprinkle it in, and you're just going to coat the whole inside of that. Okay, so after you have coated all these, you're going to boil some water, which we did already. After it's done boiling, you're going to take it and put it into each glass. This you might want an adult to assist you with because it is very hot and you can get burnt really easily. Okay, so now you're going to take the rest of this and you're going to pour it into each one. First, you're going to start off with quite a bit. And you're going to stir it until it's all dissolved. Okay, so after you get it dissolved, it should be just normal. You can see kind of a difference between, like, this one's more opaque as you get through. Like, this is table salt compared to Epsom salt. Pretty cool, right? The difference. After you get the first bit in, you want to just gradually keep adding more until it doesn't dissolve anymore. And that's how you know you have a saturated solution. Right, so after you have your saturated solution, you're going to carefully pour your solutions in. Very careful. Make sure that it doesn't overflow. Oh, I'm dropping some on myself. So I got that one done. Now I'm going to add the food coloring in. Maybe here. And I'm going to stir it in with a toothpick. After you have your geodes and stuff all set up, you're going to put it in a safe space that you can keep them for, it'll take about a week in order for like the crystals to actually grow. And the water will completely dissolve and you'll be left with the crystals. So it's pretty cool. So come back in a week and we'll show you the results.